All right, YouTube. This is my new, my newest complete map. This is a aircraft carrier 03. If you look at it from the air here, so you can kind of get a good look at it here. This is the aircraft carrier in the water. It's a battlefield as well, so you got the planes up there circling. Got one plane taken off. Got the hydraulic lifting right here in the middle. We've got containers for, hiding people. We got these little things, shooter things to shoot you over to the towers. The couple things that I'm kind of proud of on this is let's see, I built a little area to go down into the ship right here, a little stairwell. Kind of proud of this little area right here. It kind of comes down, goes down into the bow of the ship, into the bowels of the ship, and then of course we got the motor. It's just kind of, it's okay. It's nothing special, but got an elevator. If you go to the elevator, it'll take you up to the next floor up. Got weapons at every spawn point. Got the conveyor belt for the big bombs. Got the missiles for the planes. I'm going to try to shrink down a couple planes and stack them in here somehow, but I just can't get the planes to... I can't move the planes without my system crashing. So it's kind of been kind of hard. And then inside here I've got, little area, little hiding area, kind of hiding it, but just, like spawn areas, but, there's cover. It's all kind of filled in so that it looks a little more, got a little more fighting potential on each one of these levels. I'm going to go up to the top level here. And same thing up here. Got a little scoreboard up there, a spawn area. And then back here at the back, this part here is a false wall so that you can come in here and actually hide and nobody can see you, until they figure it out. And then let's see here. Oh yeah, right up here. Got this one right here that shoots you over here. And I'll give it a quick go and I'll show you how it plays. Oh, and it's got a Super 60 in those towers too. Each one of those has a Super 60. I'll show you how that works too. RFB. All right, so if I want to go upstairs, I'm upstairs. Oh, that got me. It's standing right beside me. Didn't realize it. See, now that one spawned me inside one of these towers. Now, if I walk over here, you'll hear that's a sign telling me that we've been given the gun. And then we'll go. They're actually in the bow of the ship there. And if you want to get out, there's a couple ways out. One is down here. Just go right over here. Let's shoot you back over the ship. Then we'll try the elevator again and show you how it works. The elevator here. Go back down the elevator. I see the scoreboards are working. That's good. And the But here's how the sodas work. Take a soda, walk off. Oh, that didn't work. There we go. Now it did. Takes you up and come down. But I didn't. I got to do that again. I didn't hit that one time. I got to hit that like that. The game's kind of lagging in the headset. Minus 200G. That's how fast you go up. And when you get up high enough that you're comfortable, put your arms out. Stop going up. Get positive 200G. Now you're coming down. Drop on somebody. I hope that you have a gun that fires better than that one did. Teammates. And let's see, yeah, so, and then if you want to get over to these towers, these ones things here easily take you over there just by, and boom, you're in the tower. M60 looks better. Yeah, see, now I heard it. Where's the X-ray at, though? Oh, there's a guy down here at the bottom. So I'm taking damage from the water. Blast again. This is the new one. It's kind of fun, kind of neat. I'm not doing very good in it right now, but you can see all the. Oh, and I got the American flag up there too as well. That I put. You can run up here if you want to and fly over the ship if you want. X-ray pads. Go down to the bottom of the ship, and you got the pipes running down below. I haven't filled all this in yet. I gotta get better weapons on this. I don't have my weapons loaded, but that's the game.